Here we have a 2018 BMW 320d XDRIVE M Sport Shadow Edition Touring. Now this vehicle comes with the 19-inch black alloy wheels, all in excellent condition and unmarked. We have the blue M Sport brake calipers as well just behind. We have the blue exterior paintwork, the LED daytime running headlights. We also have the two gloss black front kidney grills as well. The glass black front splitter, part of the M Performance kit. We have the side skirt extensions along the bottom as well. We also have the black roof rails up top. We have the black mirrors and also the black trim around the windows. Colour coded door handles. We have the privacy glass for the rear passengers. We also have the rear spoiler as well. We have the rear tailgate, which is power assisted. We also have the interior. If we take a quick look inside of here, you'll find we have the full leather interior, foldable armrests in the centre and the fixed ISO points. We have the vents for the rear passengers. We also have the electric windows on the doors. Taking a look at the front, again the full leather interior. Both these front seats are heated and there is a quick look at them. We have the premium Harman Kardon sound system, electric mirrors and also the electric windows. We have the auto lights and the auto wipers. We have a multifunctional steering wheel which has the paddle shifters on either side. We also have the cruise control and the speed limiter just there as well, the high beam assist on this stalk. There's a look at the dashboard. We also have the main infotainment screen in the centre, which has lights of the sat nav. We also have the DAB radio. We have the Bluetooth phone connectivity. There's a quick look at the climate control, at the gear stick, the different drive mode buttons. We also have the cup holders just inside of there, shortcuts for the infotainment screen, manual handbrake. But that's all I'm going to show you guys today. If you want to find out more, then please check out the website. Thank you for watching.